Look, Leonardo, I am just not interested. I know you think that all the ladies in the building are gaga over you, but not me. I don't care how sexy you are or how great your body is. It doesn't do a thing for me. See, I only called you up here to check my water heater. I was trying to take a shower and all I got was cold water. And I really need a hot shower.
Like hallucinations is like a sign of a schizophrenic.
Do you mean schizophrenic? Madison, I have your intake form. It's right here. You say no voices or paranoia. No depression, anxiety, PTSD, or suicide ideations. So let's talk about why is it you're here today? What is it you really want to talk about? This play is called Roll in the Hay. The character that you would play is a serious seductress, a very experienced woman. I don't mean to insult you, dear, but you scream virgin. You are nothing but a little witch. When your father died, he took the best of you with him. You tried to be an interesting person for a while. Look at you now. You've completely reverted to type. You are nothing but a small-minded, tight-ass little snob these days. What? Why would you dance with the windows open? That's so silly. So I want you to be honest with me. Please, tell me what happened. What did Kelly do?
Well, I met this guy named Sergio.
Ooh.
He's so gorgeous. Long hair. Great body. And that face. The only problem is, he's 27.
27? Look at you, girl, you little cougar.